You're probably going to need Word to be successful in the classes that you have, so I wanted to show you quickly how to access Word for free via the OCTC website. So if you will come up here to My Path and click on My Path, and then once you get to My Path, you're probably used to clicking on Blackboard, but for finding Word, you're coming over here and you're going to click on OneDrive. Now your tiles may be organized differently from mine, but look around. You should have OneDrive as one of the tiles you have on My Path. So you're going to click on OneDrive, and that's going to open up basically the drive. And then all this stuff here is mine. So yours may be blank. That's fine. Come up here to New, and then you'll see you can choose to create a Word document, an Excel workbook, or a PowerPoint presentation, or any of these other items that you usually find in the Word suite. So for our purposes, we're going to open up Word, and what you should have in front of you is basically a blank Word document with all of the tools that's usually at your disposal with Word. Great thing about OneDrive is you can sync it up to all of your devices so that you can access your files. And then also a great thing about it is that it allows you to have Word so that you can have no trouble uploading your files to Blackboard.